a simple closed loop system. In this case, this R of S is nothing but the input or reference input. All are denoted in S. So to represent it in the Laplace domain. So this is nothing but your in reference input. This is your forward path. This is your output, and this is your sensor feedback or feedback gate. So if we discuss about such kind of rules, this side is very much important, whether it is a positive feedback or a negative feedback. So this point is nothing but this point is called your takeoff point, and this point is called your summing point. Okay. When we study about such kind of system, this C of S is connected to the H of S. That's why the signal here comes C of S into H of S with a negative sign. And this signal is R of S, which is in the positive side. And when we add them both, we get here the error signal, we get here the actuating signal. This signal is called, at this point, we get the actuating signal. Actuating signal, that is your E of S or error signal, which is equal to nothing but the summation of R of S minus H of S into C of S. So when we multiply these two, as this gain and this gain both are in the cascade connection, when you multiply these two, we will get the value of output. So when I multiply R of S minus H of S into C of S with our forward path gain G of S, I will get the value that is C of S. When we do simple mathematical calculation, this R of S will be multiplied with this G of S minus H of S into C of S into G of S is equal to C of S. So we have to find out the transfer function of this loop. So transfer function is nothing but the Laplace transform of output to Laplace transform of input. So when we consider about this thing, this Laplace transform of this point as combined with this term, so we have to take that, we have to isolate this term so that we can get the value of C of S. So in order to do so, we can do R of S into G of S. This negative side, when it comes to this side, it will become positive. So C of S plus H of S into C of S into G of S. Now we can take the term of C of S out of it. So this will remain. At this part, there will be only one. As we take CS common. When we take CS common from this part, the remaining part is G of S into H of S. So to find out the transfer function, we can simply do C of S by R of S. So if we put this R of S multiplied with this side, and when we move it to this side, it will divide, and G of S and this term will divide with G of S. So simply C of S by R of S is nothing but our G of S divided by 1 plus G of S H of S. This plus sign is this sign is plus or minus. This sign will be totally dependent upon the feedback of this side. If the feedback comes negative, then your sign at this point will be positive. If the feedback comes positive, then the sign at this point will be negative. So if you can derive it, so for both the systems, if you put this here, plus or minus, then for this the sign will reverse. For plus or positive feedback, it will be negative. For negative feedback, it will be positive. So this is nothing but our transfer function.